Hello folks, 018 here. This 6-pill X-Force base amp, customer sent to me. Somebody tried to put 6 Toshibas in it, and we kind of made a mess. We had to resolder them all, take them out, test them. Redid the combiner, and resoldered all the transistors. You can kind of see her work there. Put all new feedback resistors in here. New relay. Turned out pretty good. Alright, let's go radio drive. This is my normal radio that I always use. 25 watt drive, about 6 bird watt. 1000 watt slug, average power. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, hello, 200 watts. 200 average, just radio drive. Peak, radio drive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 400, right on the money. Alright, we'll hit a little drive here. Let's see here. Some carrier up there. Let's go back. Just about 50 watt carrier. So, alright, 1000 watt slug, average power. 1, 1, 1, 2, hello, 600. Average power, hit 1,000. Of course, what's gonna happen? 1, 2 in the corner. Alright, 2500 watt slug. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, about 11, 1200 there. Hello, audio, not bad. There's your replay. Somebody say you need to replay. There's your input with the drive rail. Hello, hello. Ayo, hello, ayo, hello. Well, there you go. There's your test video. So you good to go. We'll smack the 10 on her. Get you a bill and get her shipped out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend in 10. 018. We respect that.